Hey there, Tana with WTI. And why would you settle for regular old blinds when you can have smart blinds?
These are the Roman shades from Graywind, and I have these in the most beautiful textured gray color. It comes with everything that you need to get started. The setup is so easy. It took me literally maybe 5 minutes to hang these up in the window, and you are good to go right from the start. They come with multiple charging capabilities, whether you want to use this very generous cord or you can get this great solar panel. That way it's staying charged all the time. I love the look of these. It's this beautiful texture, and the Roman shade is just so elegant looking. I also really appreciate how well the blackout of these curtains work. And I really appreciate that it comes with this great remote that you can either have mounted to the wall or put it in this easy carrying handle, but it works so well. You're able to set up different functions, different days and times, whether you want the shades open or closed. And I love this favorite option. So you can have this set to a certain level, and you can either do this with the app or the remote and have it go right to its favorite position. It also works with Alexa or Google, so you can really have the perfect smart home experience while still having a very classy, elegant looking Roman shade.
These blinds will make you feel like you're living in the future. They are so nice. I love all of the different features of them, and I think you should definitely put them in your home. And that's my point of view.